Good morning, 8th standard student. Today we are going to see the subunit 1.2 writing contextual meaning. See, choose the correct alternatives from the given sentences. First one, convincing him to accept the job is a hard nut to crack. We have to find the meaning for that phrase hard nut to crack from that options. First option is very complicated to solve. Second option, very difficult to solve. Third option, very easy to solve. Fourth option, very responsible to solve. The meaning of hard nut to crack, that phrase meaning is very difficult to solve. So the option is second number is correct option for that question. Second one, Sapna will leave no stone unturned to achieve her aim in the final exam. Options, only to do casual efforts, to make all efforts to do a thing, only one's effort, never try anything. Leave no stone unturned. The meaning of that phrase is to make all efforts to do a thing. So, second option is correct, to make all efforts to do a thing. The rest of the three options are incorrect. Third one, nowadays everywhere most of the people know how to have an axe to grind to achieve their objective. Options, fulfill ambition, to complete with, to have personal ends to fulfill, targets the goal. The meaning of that phrase to have an axe to grind, the meaning of that phrase is to have personal ends to fulfill. That means nowadays everywhere most of the people know how to have a personal ends to fulfill to achieve their objectives. Fourth one, in the final World Cup match between India and Sri Lanka, all spectators in the Wankhede Stadium kept their fingers crossed. Kept their fingers crossed. We have to find the meaning for that phrase. Here has given the options. First one, to wait for a result, to wait with expectations and anxiety, to wait for only victory, to wait for celebration. The correct meaning of that phrase kept their fingers crossed means to wait with expectation and anxiety. Fifth one, Ramesh studies at snail's pace because he is weak. Snail's pace means very slow. So the second option is correct option for fifth question. Sixth one, Rohan attends his office once in a blue moon. The options are always, sometimes, regularly, seldom. The meaning of once in a blue, this is used here as items in this sentence, and the meaning of this item is seldom. So option number 4 is correct answer for that question. 7.1, during the festival time like Ganpati Utsav and Diwali, Shopkeepers make the most of the opportunities. The meaning of that, make the most of the opportunity, that phrase is, that is third one, to take advantage of. To take advantage of. The others phrases meaning, that is to steer clear of, that means to avoid. Red handed means openly. To put across means communicate something successfully. The correct option is third one, to take advantage of means make the most of the opportunity. Rohan tried his all efforts to get a job in a multinational company, but he missed the boat. The options: own one's spur, felt under the thumb, took to heart. The meaning of the phrase missed the boat, correct meaning of that phrase is felt. Other options meanings are: own one's spur means made position as politician. Under the thumb means completely under influence. Took to heart means felt deeply. Ninth one, don't panic or get stressed, take it easy. Take it easy, the meaning of that phrase is that take lightly. Then ninth one, every Indian will fight tooth and nail against terrorism. Tooth and nail means the meaning of that phrase is with all might. With all might means tooth and nail. 11th one, this is an up-to-date edition of a book on yoga. Options: old, latest, new, interesting. The correct option for that up-to-date is that latest. Up-to-date means latest. All the other options are not appropriate. Thank you.